Let the required points be P, Q, and R respectively. Clearly, P divides AB in the ratio 1:3 internally. Take the coordinates of A as x1, y1 and the coordinates of B as x2, y2 and the ratio 1:3 as m:/n. Substitute into the formula. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. That means 1:1. Or we can see that Q is the midpoint of AB. We can also use the midpoint formula to find Q. I am using m equal to 1 and n equal to 1 in the old formula. R divides AB internally in the ratio 1:3. So we can use m equal to 1 and n equal to 3. So these are the required points.